Today I'll show you how to chat with support from Revolut. If you're having any issues or have any queries, you can easily chat with the support team of Revolut to solve your issues. Now there are various methods that you can head over to the chat section of Revolut. For this video, I'm just going to open up a web browser and show you the process. In the search bar of your web browser, you can just search for Revolut Support. And the first website you'll see is how do I contact Revolut customer support. You can just tap open this web browser and it's going to show you various ways that you can get in touch with the support team of Revolut. If you scroll down, you're going to see various ways. The first and easiest way to head over to the chat section is tap on the visit the in-app chat. Make sure that you have Revolut installed on your phone and make sure that it is logged in. And once you tap on this button right here, you're going to be straight away taken to the chat section inside of the Revolut app. Now, apart from this, if you want to get any answers quickly, you can also head over to the help center, which is basically the FAQ page where you can find answers to most of the queries that you may have. That's all for this video. I hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.